If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Meet the TETON pivot arm cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh-cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The TETON pivot arm cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough, it's TETON tough.
The HITORHIKE camping cot will get you off the hard rocky ground and back to a good night's rest. This lightweight package can fit in a hiking backpack for all of your outdoor treks. To assemble, connect the leg pieces together. Next, slide the support bars into the canvas. Starting with the center of the cot, insert one leg into the canvas hole. Push on the opposite side of the leg until it clips into place on the other support bar. Repeat for remaining legs. The thick nylon cloth is waterproof and holds weight up to 280 pounds. Disassembly is just as simple as the setup and can be easily stored when not in use. Whether using indoors or outdoors, sleep comfortably on this sturdy cot.